ABML Morning Update. Putin arrives amid high-stakes summit as Trump watches. Market eyeing what Putin has up his sleeve. Defense tech and exports to bridge deficit on agenda. Global markets. US stocks closed higher on Wednesday as the latest jobs data from ADP strengthened investors' conviction that the Federal Reserve will cut interest rates next week. The Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 0.86%, the S&P 500 rose 0.30%, and the Nasdaq Composite added 0.17%. US markets are pricing in an 89% chance of a cut next Wednesday, which is much higher than the odds from mid-November, according to the CME FedWatch tool. Investors anticipate that a lower rate environment will spur loan growth and give a jolt to the US economy. Also, the big short investor Michael Burry said the artificial intelligence market bubble could unwind within about the next 2 years. European stocks ended Wednesday in positive territory. The Stoxx 600 ended the day 0.1% higher. Domestic market. Indian equity indices ended on a negative note on December 3rd. At close, the Sensex was down 0.04% at 85,107 and the Nifty was also down 0.18% at 25,986. GIFT Nifty trades lower by 44 points at 26,093, signaling a negative start to the trading session. India's services PMI rose to 59.8 in November from 58.9 in October, signaling stronger growth in the services sector, driven by a faster rise in new business orders and modest hiring for the third consecutive month. International sales improved, but at the slowest pace in 8 months, while backlogs remained broadly unchanged, indicating stable workloads. In contrast, the composite PMI, which combines manufacturing and services, slipped to 59.7 from 60.4, reflecting moderation in overall private sector growth. Manufacturing PMI slowed to 56.6, marking a 9-month low due to weaker exports and the slowest job creation in 21 months. Input cost inflation eased across both sectors, with overall expenses rising at the smallest rate in 64 months, leading to softer output price inflation at an 8-month low. Focus for the day: UK PMI. Key corporate developments and policy actions. RVNL has received a 145.34 crore LOA from Southern Railway for the design, supply, erection, testing and commissioning of Scott Connected Traction substations in the Jolarpettai Junction, Salem Junction section of the Salem division. Indigo said its operations have been heavily disrupted for the past 2 days due to a combination of tech glitches, winter schedule changes, bad weather, increased congestion, and new crew rostering rules. Mahindra Lifespaces wins Matunga redevelopment project with a deal value of 1,010 crore rupees and a project area of 1.53 acres. Pace Digitech received order worth 99.7 crore rupees from Advait Greenergy for LFP battery energy storage system. Fund flow. FII sold shares worth 32.06 billion rupees, while DII bought for 47.30 billion rupees.
Investment in securities markets are subjected to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.